How to fix permanently suspended Twitter account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix permanently suspended Twitter account. If you are opening up the Twitter app and you get a notification pop-up saying that your account is suspended and you have been limited to certain activities, then what you can do is file an appeal. Now I don't have any suspended account, but I'll just show you quickly right here. First, what you want to do is head into browser. Now if you have the account suspended account logged into your Twitter app, what you want to do is file an appeal. Simply you'll get an option to file an appeal. However, I don't have one, so I'll just search in for Twitter suspended account. Here you can head into your browser and help on your suspended account and scroll down and you'll find the option file an appeal. Here you can see on screen right here, tap on file an appeal and you'll be able to file an appeal here. However, you can see you are currently not logged in or logged into a Twitter account that is not suspended or locked. Please log out and log into your account that is suspended in order to submit this request. However, I won't be able to show you, but I'll show you how it will look like. Now here, as you can see on the screen, an interface, you'll get an interface somewhat like this. Now since you'll be logging in through the ID, you won't have to type in your Twitter username or your email address, but on the problem you're having, you can simply describe your problem. You can say that your account got suspended without your knowledge, or you haven't done anything that violates the Twitter community or Twitter guidelines, and submit the request. And if Twitter approves it, then you should be able to get back to your account. So this is the only way you can fix permanently suspended Twitter account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.